Strangers. It's choreographed by Micheal Diven. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag restart on wall 2 after 16 counts, a restart on wall 5 after 8 counts, and a restart on wall 7 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that tag and the restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Party with Strangers. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right toe, we're going to point it forward, point your right toe to the side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, right back, left out, right out. We're now going to take our left toe, point it forward, point your left toe to the side, and we're going to do a quarter turning sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn stepping back with your left, step your right foot to the side, step your left foot out to the side, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. If you would like to make it a little more hoppy, you can change those points to kick, kick, sailor, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your points. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a heel grind. You're going to take your right heel, place it across your left. We're going to come up onto our right heel and you're going to swivel your toes from left to right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. We're going to do a weave right behind, left side, right cross. We're going to do a heel grind quarter turn, taking your left heel, placing it forward. You're going to come up on your left foot and you're going to swivel your toes from right to left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. You're going to recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now at 9 o'clock. Step your left foot next to your right, make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left, and we're going to do a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to do a big step forward with your left, and you're going to drag that right toe into your left, and you want it to come all the way there to help transition into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, and our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. We're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, and step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do 2 half pivots. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and you'll end the dance facing 9 o'clock. If you don't like to turn, you can change that into a rocking chair. Let's try that with some counts. Jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your points. Point forward, point side, right sailor, step. Point forward, point side, quarter sailor, step. Heel grind, weave behind, side cross, heel grind, quarter, recover, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, drag. Jazz box quarter, turn, step, half pivot, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. And that is the whole dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on our left foot. You're doing that point forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart and the tags. So wall 2 has our tag restart. It's the only time we're going to do this tag. You're going to dance 16 counts of the dance which is up to your heel grind coaster step. And then we're only going to add on a jazz box quarter turn, and then we'll start the dance all over again. So let's dance up to 16 counts. You're doing your point forward, point side, and your sailor step, point forward, point side, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind side, weave behind, side cross, heel grind quarter, and your coaster step. At this point, you're going to do your jazz box quarter turn to face the back wall, and then you will start the dance all over again. So we're going to cross over, step back, quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward, step your left foot next to your right. You'll be facing 6 o'clock, ready to start wall 3. That is where wall 3 would have been anyways, so you'll just continue. You'll dance wall 3 all the way through, wall 4 all the way through. When we get to wall 5, you'll be facing the front. You're going to do the first 8 counts, which is your point, point, sailor step, point, point, quarter, sailor step, and then you're going to start the dance all over again. Point, point, sailor step, point, point, quarter, sailor, and continue the walls. That will then become wall 6. Wall 7 is our back wall. It is the next wall that you will have a restart in. You're going to dance up to the 16 counts where we would have done the tag, and you're just going to restart the dance facing the next wall. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do counts, and we're going to go around practicing all of those restarts and the tag. Weights on your left foot, you're touching your right toe forward, point side, sailor step, point forward, point side, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind, weave behind, side cross, heel grind, quarter with your coaster step. Rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, drag. Jazz box quarter, turn to half pivot, step, half pivot, step, half pivot, 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart facing the back wall. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind, weave behind, side cross, heel grind, quarter, coaster step. Rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, drag. Jazz box quarter, turn to half pivot, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. I'm gonna point. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts. Point, point, sailor step. Point forward, point side, quarter, sailor step, restart. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind, weave. Heel grind, quarter turn with your coaster step. Rock, half shuffle. Step, half pivot, step, drag. Jazz box quarter, turn to half pivots. Now we're gonna do 16 counts and restart. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind, weave. Heel grind, quarter with your coaster step, restart. Point, point, and sailor step. Point, point, quarter, sailor step. Heel grind with your weave. Heel grind, quarter, coaster step. Rock, half shuffle. Step, half pivot, step, drag. Jazz box quarter, turn, 2 half pivots. And then you're ready to just keep dancing the rest of the dance all the way through. I hope this helps you learn Party with Strangers. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.